Hi everyone, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper, in the additional of the newspaper of Monday, March the 23rd, 2020, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, Sudokus with 2 stars, with 3 stars, with 4 stars, and 2 tectonics Sudokus. So we will start with the first one, a Sudoku with the 1 star. So let's get started with this one. Alright, let's see which number I can use. Let me see. Which number can I use? I see here a pair. In this big square, we have a 2 and a 7. So no 2 and a 7 in these two boxes. So the 2 and a 7 should be there. And here as a pair, 2 and a 7. That means those two boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers. In the second column, the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 8 and 9. 6, 8, and 9. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in those two boxes. 6 should be here. 8 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then, can I do this? 9, okay. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. Here also a 9, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 9. In the third row, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for 9 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 9, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be in one of those 2 boxes. And if I look in this column, the last column, there's also a 9 missing. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. We have a 9 over there, so no 9 in those 2, this box. So the 9 could be here or could be there. But we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 9 must be definitely here. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. Then can we do something with no 6? Yes, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for 6 is here and there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 3, 7, 4. I need a 4. 4, 7, and 5. Yes, this big square. 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 4, 5, and 7. 4, 5, and 7. I see here 5, so no 5 in this box. I see there 5, so no 5 in that box. The only place for the 5 should be here. 4 and 7 are left. 4 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Then 2 missing numbers. The 2 and the 7 I remember. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3, 7, 9. Yes. 3. Yes, these 3 missing numbers in this row. The numbers are 3, 8, and 4. 3, 8, and 4. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be here. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. And then two. Yes, no. 4 and 3. 4 and 3. Yes. 4, 3, and then 4, 3, and 2. 2 should be there. Let me think. 3, 3 and 4. 6, the 4, 4. 5. The 1. No, cannot fill this yet. Am I stuck? I do not know. The 8. Yes, these 3 numbers in the first row. The numbers are 3, 8, and 7. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. We see there an 8, so no 8 here. Only place for the 8 should be here. 3, 7, 3, 7, 3, 7, yes, are left. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 8, 3, 7, 3, 7. 7 cannot. 7 should be here. Yes. 6. Well, these 3 numbers in the first column we will see are the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3 is missing, 1, 3, and the 4 and the 4. 1, 3, and 4. Do I see 1, 3, and 4? No. These 3 numbers the missing numbers are the 9, the 8, I believe, the 9, 8, and the 2. 9, 8, and 2. Right. Can I fill this? No, I cannot fill this. Need to wait. These two numbers, 7 and 4 are missing. Yes, 7 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 7 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers are missing in this row for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 2, 3, and 6. 2, 3, and 6. I see here 6 and a 3, so 1 digit left for the 2. The other 2 numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. In this column, the missing numbers 1, 3, and 4. I see here 3 and 4, so no 3 and 4 in this box. So 1 digit left for the 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes are left for this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then the 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 3 and 7. Now we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for 3 should be here and there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 missing number in the first column for the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for 4 is here and there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 6 here, so no 6 here. 6 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this middle column for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 missing number in this column for the number 7. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 2. two missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 2 and 9, we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 9 goes there. Two missing numbers of this big square. For the numbers 3 and 8, we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 8 goes here. And the final two numbers of this big square. For the numbers 8 and 9, we have an 8 here, so no 8 here. 8 should be there, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes for the Sudoku with 1 star. Okay, thank you for watching, and thumbs up if you like this Sudoku, otherwise thumbs down. I will see you later for the Sudoku with 2 stars. For now, bye bye, and thank you for watching.